my mentors, thanks for watching a Moments by Boothe video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and today we'll be checking out my brand new listing, which is a 2-bed, 2-bath, fully furnished, single family home, going for an asking price of $130,000 per month. It is located at the Orchards, which is a gated community with 24-hour security. But enough of the chattings, me know I'm ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. So my mentors, this is the property. It is a corner lot, beautifully landscaped. It's just a pity the sun is not out right now, but when the sun is out and hitting the structure, it is absolutely beautiful. The driveway, as you can see, is paved, and a nice color scheme going into the side yard. You can walk completely around this property, and I'll show you guys the outside as we move along with this tour. So we step up to the front. This is just here temporarily. Once you move in, that will be taken down. So you have your little patio area that's glassed off, as you can see. All right, let's head inside. So you have a key holder to the left as you enter, and the living room is to your right. It is a property that has a fully open concept layout for the general or the common areas. Television right there, nice decor. As you can see, there's a nice color scheme going as well. Window right here. Can slide that down so you guys can get in a bit more light so you can see what I go on. So this is the living room. You have a seating area here, another seating area here. Comes with a fan for the living room, television as I mentioned before, and there's another window right there. This is the dining area, and you get, of course, what is customary in most houses that have air conditioning is a windy air conditioning unit. Step to this side and you get, from the same brand but a different model, a Wintech fan to go with your little office area for when you're doing your work from home, if you work from home, or you're doing your studies, if you know you're furthering your studies, or your child is doing their schoolwork, whatever the use case is, that's there for your convenience. And I guess that paper towel is here for your convenience as well. It's showing up itself. All right, so you have a bar stool here leading into the kitchen area. You have a nice large refrigerator, ample cabinetry, both upper and lower. Your stove is on this side, and your microwave, and you have a double bowl stainless steel sink. And I really like the kitchen. The kitchen is real nice. Leading into this area here that has your garbage bin, and this leads outside to the wraparound backyard and side yard, as I was mentioning. But before we go outside, we'll check out your washer and dryer. But just in case you're not fancy and you don't want to use any washer and dryer, of course there is a line here for your added convenience. There's also a water tank with a water pump should in case water goes. Here's your traditional wash tub, and let's make our way to this side first, where you have your gas gauge and your gas. This is the condenser for the AC that's on the inside. This is the gate that we're looking at from the front. This is the yard from this vantage point. All right, you also have solar lights on the outside of the property, so at night you know that go place fully lit. This is an additional storage area, but one key point to mention, this is not for you, this is for the property owner, where they keep their additional things. All right, so bear that in mind if you should be considering this property to rent. So for those of you who are into skincare for days, what them call it, Cinco Bible or aloe vera, whichever the case may be, you rub this on your face and you know that go. Goal. You have a tree right here, not bearing right now, but it's still there to add some extra greenery to the space. And this is the air conditioning unit in the primary bedroom, which is to the back for your added convenience as well with regards to less noise and quietness. The bedrooms are all along this side. So primary is there, secondary bedroom is there, and then right here again leads to your fully fenced yard. And as I say, the landscaping is beautifully done. Alright, curb appeal nice. So if you stay here for long enough, you'll get banana and mango. But until then, you have aloe vera for your skin. Alright, so let's head back on the inside and check out the bedrooms. So of course, we have to start with the secondary bedroom first, which is right here. But before we go there, there is some additional shelf space right here. Alright, can put a few things. So this is the secondary bedroom. Comes equipped with TV mount, a chest of drawers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to hit that like button if you have gotten this far in the video. Not to mention, I'm still out here trying to live life on my own terms and become a full-time content creator. More on that to come. Alright, we're doing a lot more content this year and into next year. Alright, but back to the property. This is the bed, queen size, cute decor lighting over there, additional space here. You have another light right here if you want to set the mood, as they would say. Alright, nighttime settings, mood settings are just winding down at the end of the night. You have lots of mirrors. And you know you want to check out yourself and all them look ready. Yeah. So this is your closet, where I don't think you need more hangers than this, but hey, you have a lot of people who have a lot of clothes. My girlfriend. So this space is ideal for most people with adequate clothing, but for those of us who must go overboard or are in love with clothing, you might need to buy a few more hangers. But yeah, so really nice bedroom, simple, chic, cutesy. You get candle there, cute lamp there, and even though there are so many things for your convenience inside the space, it still does not feel chock up. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Sometimes you go into a space and it just feels so crammed. You still have easy ability to get to your closet here, or you want to go towards your TV here, you go towards your drawer here, you still have space, you know? Yeah. And them look already, and the vaulted ceilings gives it an even more grand feel. I like it. Not even gonna lie to you. So this is the bathroom for the secondary bedroom. Door opens to the left and you step on in, greeted with another mirror right here. Alright. Light is right there. Additional spaces are there for your added convenience. Towel rack, more space, a ledge for your additional convenience again. A window is inside here, and here is the shower fixtures for your viewing pleasure. Alright, so now we're gonna move to what you all been waiting for, the primary bathroom, and then we'll check out the primary bedroom last, and then we'll wrap this video up. So as we step into the primary bathroom, It opens to your right. There's a nice, beautiful mirror. Beautiful oval shaped mirror right here. I think you will enjoy coming in the evenings and seeing yourself in this mirror. If that's all you want to do with it, I'll leave that to you guys' imagination. Additional storage, Rona toilet, shower cubbies, nice shower head in the primary, and the black theme is evident. So yeah, this is a primary bathroom. Standard. It's a standard bathroom. So let's move into the bedroom now. Here's the air conditioning remote. And again, which brand it is? Windy. #1 AC brand in Jamaica. We know this. You have a little ottoman right there. King size bed. So at night you'll be sleeping like royalty. And then of course, I'll leave this to your imagination as well. Chest of drawers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-drawer chest of drawers. Another lighting fixture right there. Curtains are here. This nice, cool architect fan. Still in the Windy family line. Being sold by Carlisa Enterprises. Alright. It's a night table right there. That's the bed. And let's reveal what's behind door number 1, which is not 1 but 2 ironing boards and an iron for additional convenience, and this modular insert into the closet space. And then you have some decorative items right here that may or may not be coming with the property, because these do look like very luscious. Oh, they are coming with the property. They're empty bottles of fragrances. My, if only they were filled and the property owner were leaving them for your additional pleasure. This is where your TV would be mounted. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this property. Let me turn down this fan. So yes, that's pretty much it for this property. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of it. If you think it's worth the $130,000 per month, or if you don't think it's worth that, you can comment and let me know what price point you think you would pay for a property such as this at the Orchards in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Alright, don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms. I am Akeem. It has been my pleasure showing you this property today, and look out for more property videos on my channel. And also I'll be doing some additional special stuff moving into the January month. You can head on over to my Instagram as well, Same Moments by Boothe, where I'm doing a lot more fitness, food, more lifestyle type content over on my Instagram, and I want to slowly transition some of that over here so you guys can get a bit more of Moments by Boothe. All right, thank you guys again so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you have gotten so far in the video, if you could hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, it would mean the world to me, and it would help this video out a lot. Thank you guys, all those people who have been sticking by me all this time that I haven't been posting, and I've been seeing you guys out in the streets, and you've been asking me where I am, why I haven't been posting, what's up, is everything good? Just here to let you guys know that everything is all right. I got a new job. It's more taxing, so I don't necessarily have the same amount of free time that I normally do to go out on a Saturday and a Sunday and make videos. So that's really the slowdown. But I'm trying to figure out a way to make everything work out. Keep my 9 to 5 for now. Keep producing my content for now as best as possible. All right. So thanks so much for your understanding, and thanks so much for your concern with me and my progress and what I'm doing as well. Again, the goal is to live life on your own terms. Our author still trying to do that. All right. Thanks again. AB signing out.